Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best solar charger available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Big Blue Solar Charger. The Big Blue 28W portable solar charger is a highly efficient and travel-friendly power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Its advanced N-type solar cells and shadow-free panel surface improve energy absorption, delivering up to 20% more power while maintaining strong performance even in low-light conditions. With a high conversion efficiency of 25.4%, it effectively turns sunlight into usable energy for reliable device charging during camping or hiking. The upgraded triple-port design, featuring dual USB-C and one USB-A output, allows simultaneous charging of multiple devices at up to 5V/3A per port, making it practical for phones, tablets, and other gadgets. Its foldable, ultra-lightweight design, only 1.5 pounds, enhances portability, fitting easily into backpacks for travel or emergency kits. IP44 water resistance adds durability against light rain and fog, ensuring dependable outdoor use. Next up, we have Anker Solar Charger. The Anker PS30 portable solar panel is a compact and reliable off-grid charging solution built for travelers who need dependable power during outdoor activities. With 30W solar output in both USB-A and USB-C ports, it allows convenient on-the-go charging for smartphones, tablets, and cameras, making it suitable for camping, hiking, and extended travel. Its foldable, lightweight design enhances portability, allowing it to pack easily into backpacks without adding bulk, which is ideal for mobile lifestyles. A key strength is its IP65 weather-resistant construction, enabling stable performance in rain, dust, and changing outdoor conditions, ensuring consistent energy access in unpredictable environments. The panel efficiently harnesses sunlight to support multiple devices simultaneously under optimal conditions, improving overall usability in the field. Coming in at number 3, Renogy Solar Charger. The Renogy 30W portable solar panel is a lightweight and highly practical charging solution built for outdoor adventurers who need reliable power on the move. Weighing just 2.43 pounds, nearly half the weight of typical panels, it offers excellent portability for camping, hiking, backpacking, and fishing trips. Its versatile output options include USB-C with PD 3.0 up to 20W, USB-A with QC 3.0 up to 18W, and a 30W DC output, making it compatible with a wide range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, flashlights, power banks, and even small power stations. A standout feature is its unique full parallel design, which helps maintain up to 75% efficiency even under partial shading, ensuring more stable real-world performance outdoors. The reinforced build further enhances durability and ease of setup. Now at number 4, Flex Solar Solar Charger. The Flex Solar 40W foldable solar charger is a compact and efficient off-grid power solution designed for travelers, campers, and emergency use. It features dual fast charging ports with QC 3.0 USB-A and PD 2.0 USB-C, up to 18W each, allowing simultaneous charging of smartphones, tablets, and power banks, while the 19V DC output, up to 40W, supports small portable power stations. Its smart load distribution system ensures optimal performance, especially when using a single port for maximum efficiency. Built with an intelligent IC chip, it automatically detects connected devices and delivers optimized charging while maintaining safety through overcurrent, overheating, and short-circuit protection. A status LED adds convenience by indicating real-time charging activity. Despite its power capabilities, the panel remains ultra-lightweight and highly foldable, making it easy to carry during camping or hiking trips. And finally, our last pick, Solupup Solar Charger. The Solupup 30W foldable solar panel is a compact and efficient outdoor charging solution designed for adventurers who need dependable power on the go. Built with high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells, it achieves over 23% energy conversion, outperforming many traditional multicrystalline panels and enabling faster, more reliable charging under sunlight. Its dual output design with USB-A and Type-C ports, up to 5V/3A, 15W max, allows simultaneous charging of two small devices such as smartphones, power banks, and other portable electronics, making it highly practical for travel and camping use. The panel's mini power station concept enhances versatility while maintaining simplicity and portability. With IPX-rated water resistance, it offers added durability for unpredictable outdoor conditions like light rain or splashes. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.